bonding with my two other daughters. Yeah.
My mama's tummy is so big.
Lemon is just adopted. Yesterday we're gonna tell Lemon she's adopted.
James wants me to be bad.
Aray,
Totoo na to, nasa kotse ako. Kanina nasa tricycle lang ako. Where are we going?
kasha pala no, kahit yung ano lang. Kasha pa isa naman.
Kuya. Iyo. Hi, bebe. Ah. Ay, saan? Sa Presko.
Pasok tayo.
Yan. Al Fresco. Okay.
Binadala ko ng picture na lemon cucumber.
Okay.
Lemon cucumber.
Man. What do you call the mountain again? What do you call the mountain?
Maria Mountain.
Maria Mountain. Pero hindi yung Maria Mountain. What do you call that mountain? Bundok?
Bundok na Maria.
Makiling?
Maria, I call it Bundok na Maria.
Bundok ng Maria. No. It's Mount Makiling. Say Mount Makiling.
Mount Maria.
Mount You're so makulit.
Inisip ko yung master.
Oh. Ganda naman yung ambience dito. Grabe. Taga rito ako sa Kalamba, pero ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Para siyang lumang bahay. Diba na baby? Wow.
I think you
Meron din
might.
siyang alfresco.
I think you
dining.
might break the chair.
O, diba? Para siyang old house.
Maybe it's supposed to be collapsed.
No, not old house. Not old house collapse. That's my daughter. That's my beautiful daughter.
That's my beautiful daughter. And how about you?
About you, you are also beautiful.
And how about you?
Wow, you got my beauty. I am no longer beautiful. It's okay. As long as my babies are beautiful,
As
Mama
long-
will feel beautiful
as-
also.
And
You are with honors again. So what do you wish to have? I bought you na pala sour candy. Ay, what do you call that?
it's sour belts or sour bites.
Sour bites. And it tastes like gummy bear.
Hindi, it tastes like sour worm.
Yo. Why do you like it? It's sour.
Because sour is sour.
Oh.
Luzon, Visayas, hindi ko naman. You can tell there's some.
Tuwan-tuwa ang bata. Fries. What's that, baby? Ay. Wow. Fries. Wow, fish and fries. Is that fish and fries?
Kumain ba ito ng lunch kanina?
Hindi.
Pati ka nag-lunch siya kasi kumain siya Coco Crunch niya.
This is
The chicken.
chicken and fries.
What if it's the chicken?
Am I correct?
What?
What's the rating?
Ang 25 pa ng pares
Chicken out of 10.
Wow.
Girl, that was gonna be mine.
Pinindot na. Yummy! Together. Who is matakaw? Who is maganda? Who is your favorite sister? Wala masabi. Playing safe.
Leslie.
Hindi.
Oo, ang data yung Leslie.
Leslyn daw, Leslie?
You will just ano.
Why? Is Leslyn a sister? Yeah. Wow. Whoa, what's that, baby? Your mango?
Smoothie.
Wow.
You did not just see me lick it.
Oh, you hold it.
Abracadabra.
Why are you standing up? You? How taste? Tastes like mango.
Yes.
Nag-bench body na naman si Kira.
Lemon.
What?
Here. Come here. There.
Baliw.
You're baliw. Pose.
Ano baliw?
Hey, the food is there na.
I ate one of the apple slices.
You ate already?
I ate one of the apple slices.
Ito yung fosino na.
Oh.
Yummy. Now taste this, baby. Gagabay.
It's like corn. It's corn there.
You want this one?
Ano?
It's salmon. That's how it is cooked.
Why does it? Hold my hand.
Those are herbs.
My breath is about to smell bad after this.
We exchanged because she
And
doesn't
we
like
are
this.
gonna, and I am gonna.
Yeah.
Nag-try niyo siya? It's like, it's kind of like a pancake. It's like
Color red. Pauwi na kami.
Ano na lang? Mga
NKD. Oh, nakakotse ulit kami. Say mo. Bago naman ang kotse.